do, Mama's Bomb crew, and welcome back to another video. If you're not already a part of the family, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up, make sure to leave a comment down below and share to everybody you guys know. If you guys like cleaning motivational videos, you are in the right spot. You have found the right channel, so make sure you hit that subscribe button. So you guys, what I'm doing here is I am clearing off my kitchen table. My kids have been doing their schoolwork here ever since this whole quarantine started, so it was getting quite messy with all the papers, but I got it all straightened out. Alright, you guys, so this is my linen / towel closet. It's empty now because I just washed everything, but I need to get this organized. There we go. I finally finished and organized everything. I have sheets up top. I have the kids' sheets in the middle. I have some pillowcases hidden in the corner. And I put my towels down on the bottom for a reason, because my kids tend to tear up my closet and take their blankets. So I thought about it this time. I just wanted to share this with you guys. This is an unopened washcloth that I purchased from Dollar Tree. They come in different characters. It is just so cute. My son and my daughter love it. I have about 10 of them. I would definitely recommend them.